As Mumbai Crime Branch is currently investigating popular businessman Raj Kundra's case, regularly new updates are coming forward. Raj Kundra got arrested for funding and distributing obscene videos through mobile app Hotshot. Mumbai Crime Branch has already revealed that Raj Kundra was making huge profit through this inappropriate business. Now, the recent reports are suggesting that Raj Kundra aimed at earning a whopping amount of 34 crores from this business. Raj Kundra, during the questioning sessions with Mumbai Crime Branch, has revealed that he aimed at earning 34 crores by 2023 from the app. After the Magistrate Court, Mumbai sent Raj Kundra to judicial custody for 14 days, his financial dealings have been scrutinized thoroughly. As per the recent reports, Raj Kundra has earned more than 1.17 crores during the time of August and December last year. On the other hand, Raj Kundra's lawyer has claimed that his arrest is illegal, which is why he moved to High Court with his bail. Soon, Raj Kundra's bail plea will be heard at the High Court, and he has already spent more than 10 days behind the bars. The Mumbai police have revealed that Raj Kundra's app Hotshot was available on Apple and Google Play Store. The app had more users on Google Play Store, and later both Apple and Play Store removed the Hotshot app. Due to the investigation, Mumbai police has already investigated several properties of Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra. His bank accounts also got seized by the crime branch, and financial dealings have been sent to Enforcement Directorate. And the recent reports are suggesting that ED might soon summon Raj Kundra and file a case against him for money laundering.